Family, doubt will destroy your destiny. I know, I'm a witness. For many years, I doubted myself. You don't have to doubt. You don't have to worry. You do not have to disbelieve. Why? Because you are chosen by the Most High. You can do all things through the Messiah who strengthens you. The Israelites, when they were in the wilderness, they sent 12 spies into the land of Canaan, the promised land. When they went into the land, they saw that there were giants in the land. When they had came back, 10 out of the 12 spies brought back an evil report. They said, "We like grasshoppers compared to those giants." Fam, doubt is the devil. Doubt is a demon. Doubt is a destroyer of destiny. Joshua and Caleb, on the other hand, they did not doubt. They trusted and depended on the Most High. Bam. Do not doubt. Do not worry. Do not be discouraged. For like Joshua, you are strong and courageous. Oh yes, you are. Like Caleb, you're gonna speak on it and you're gonna be about it. For Caleb in Hebrew, Caleb means dog. So like Joshua, you are strong and courageous. And like Caleb, you a dog. That's right. Don't worry. Do not disbelieve. Do not doubt. Family, you have everything that you need. Go and complete that assignment. You got this. Why? Because you don't have it by yourself. You don't got it by yourself. You got this because Yah got this. Oh yes, you do. Do not doubt. Doubt is the destroyer of destiny. Let me say that again. Doubt will destroy your destiny. Your destiny is right there. It's right there, family. That promised land, that destiny is right there. All you got to do is trust in the Most High. Obey the Most High. Have faith in the Most High. And pursue your destiny. And you will make it to the promised land. You will get that assignment. You will get that assignment complete. You will receive that blessing. You will accomplish that goal. Destroy the enemy of doubt. And receive your destiny. Destroy the enemy of doubt. And you will enter into destiny, that promised land. doubt will destroy your destiny. Remember, family, remember to do not depend on yourself, but to depend on the Most High. Yah always fulfills his promises. Always. Just like he fulfilled the promise of our ancestors. He said he will deliver our ancestors and bring our ancestors, the Israelites, into the promised land. And guess what? Yah did. But our Creator had to remove those who brought back the evil report. Those 10 spies who brought back an evil report, who caused the people to doubt. They died of plague. They did not make it to the promised land. And the men who believed in the evil report, the men who doubted the Most High, they did not make it to the promised land. As long as you hold on to our Creator, you will make it to the promised land. You will. You will. You will enter into your destiny. All praises, all glory to our great King.